All right, turbo 911ing.
Hold on, angle it a little bit farther down. Maybe a little bit more. Like, there we go. Roll it. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah?
Fantastic.
Cool.
Want to pull to manual?
Pull to manual.
Cool. Looks like a double.
And this is the 4.
There's a double pylon, it seems like. Oh, this is the long one.
This is the 4, yeah.
But afterwards, I think it was not a very long corner, it was a short sweeper. Decreasing radius though, so be cautious.
Yep. Keeping tight.
High beams if you like. So this is a long sweeper. You see, it's this seating.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Pulls you in.
And you can't really see it coming in.
There's a lot of snow buildup on the inside too. Nicely done. It's a switchback to the right. I believe it's not very long. It's a double pylon. We have a, looks like a triple or quad pylon coming up, so late apexes stay wide. Or not. Oh, this is good. So it's a Scandi flick entry.
Yeah.
So just a light. Good. We're coming up to the fun section. Double pylon left. Aim for the second. Third pylon coming up. Stay tight. Double pylon right, aim for the second. Late entry, late apex hit. Carry momentum on the way. Good. Bumpy section. Drag brakes. Second pylon is your apex. One pylon, we got another double pylon coming up. Scan for a second pylon. That's the pylon right there. That's the line. Hairpin left, it looks like a double or triple pylon potentially. So drag the brakes, maybe drop to first. We got a double pylon, aim for a second pylon. Stay on throttle, carry the momentum, hold. Widen radius, widen it.
Sebastian's
Double pylon. Single pylon left. I think we got a sweeper.
Yeah, I think this is the big one.
Try to set up a wide radius here. So enter wide, hold wide, power. Another wide radius. It's decreasing radius towards the end. So monitor speed. I don't remember this section. A bunch of switchbacks. Oh, this is that the one that fools you. It's a higher speed entry than you expect. Looks like that, but that's it. Still pointed in, you got it. Can't see, single pylon left. Got to switch back to the right, double pylon. Aim for the second, let it set. Double pylon left, aim for second pylon. Or, yeah, there it is. We got a Scandi flick left, hairpin, or drag brakes. Good. Single pylon right. for second. Third pylon coming up. It's another increasing radius. Keep tight. Double pylon right. Good. Carry momentum. Nice easy throttle. Patience. Very good. Double pylon right. Aim for second. Don't get pulled into the first. Good. Single pylon left. Double pylon. Hairpin left, 2 pylons. That's it. That's the way you want to approach this.